former Sebring Water plant operator Jim Bates has been in trouble before with the EPA. 27 First News learned today that Bates was given a warning in 2009. Amanda Smith continues our team coverage tonight.
Village manager Rick Giroux wasn't in the loop on many of the notices between Sebring's water plant and the Ohio EPA. Letters started to the water supervisor back in September, but they didn't tell Giroux until December 3rd.
You know, EPA and the plant superintendent had obviously been in communications since the original testing, and that was beyond the scope of my knowledge because I wasn't notified. So
Giroux also says he had no knowledge of the EPA's earlier actions against plant operator James Bates. In 2009, Bates was sent this letter issuing him warnings about his record keeping and operations. Giroux came into the village in 2013 and says it was news to him.
But as far as anything regarding Mr. Bates, his operations or anything, or his work methods to this point, we're not in question.
In 2009, the EPA said Bates was submitting misleading or false reports and was endangering the public health and welfare. These are claims the EPA repeated about Bates just 3 days ago. Representatives of the EPA wouldn't speak to us in person on Wednesday.
Our Public Information Center.
Instead, a spokesperson called us from Columbus later on.
It is certainly a priority for us to have a working water treatment plant for the village of Sebring and for the residents, and to get them relief as quickly as possible.
In the last few years, EPA has begun notifying the owners of water plants when operators make mistakes. That is something the agency doesn't think happened in 2009. Going forward, whoever is in charge of the Sebring plant can expect close monitoring of their work.
I am sure that this person will be watched.
Reporting in Sebring, Amanda Smith, WKBN 27 First News.
Now, I reached out to Jim Bates on the phone last night. He told me he's working with a lawyer and is close to being able to talk publicly about what's happened for the first time.